Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jamila Daura. Thank you for clicking to watch this video. If you are new, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, hi. So today's video is going to be about body odor. I'm going to share with you guys how you can manage body odor. This is not for women only. Men can also apply this to help them combat body odor. So please subscribe to my channel. If you're new here or you've seen my face for the first time, do not forget to turn on your notification bell so that you can get notified for every time I upload videos. I upload videos every Friday around 1 p.m. Eastern and 7 p.m. Nigeria, depending on the time of the year. At some point it's going to be 6 p.m., but for now it is 7 p.m. So body odor is a condition that is a condition where people basically smell. So the odor, the smell, the body, our body. So yeah, that is what body odor is. There is no big explanation, definition, description to it. It is usually around the areas of the body, multiple areas of the body that come together and begin to smell. It starts from the armpit, the private part area, our navel, the back of our ears, all those things. But majorly when you see people that really have those bad smell, you can't stand near them. The smell is there, their mouth, underarm, private part. The smell between the underarm and the private part is usually so compounded that it is the one we perceive more all the time. It is not just the armpit, it is not just the down there, it is both places smelling at the same time. That is because the skin around our private part is very similar to the skin around our underarm. The pores there are larger. They are also a means for our body to get rid of toxins through sweating. So usually the smell between these two places go hand in hand, and somebody that potentially suffers from an underarm smell definitely have issues with down there. In this video, I'm going to share general tips that you can use to help manage the body odor. Like I stated earlier, the reason why our underarm and private part are the places that we sweat there very often, we sweat there very often, is because the pores there are enlarged. They are larger than the pores on other areas of our body, our face. So once our body is even excreting out toxins through sweating, it enlarges even more. And the thing is that a lot of people do not even perform basic hygiene. They leave hair there. They do not exfoliate down there. They do hardly use deodorant. They don't bath well. So all these things all combined together is the reason why some people will really have issues overcoming body odor. I do know that people suggest, oh, use this, use that, but the first thing you want to start doing is change what is on the inside. You want to reduce the amount of toxins in your system, and the only way you can start doing that is to stay hydrated. Once you stay hydrated, hydration is going to help your body flush out excess toxins that we get from what we eat, the kind of food that we eat. Our diet is, as Africans, is very compound and complex. So when we eat, we don't know that sometimes some of the foods that we eat can actually leave some toxins behind in our body. And if our body is also heavy on salt, it becomes very hard for your body to get rid of that. So that is one thing that you want to pay attention to. You want to stay hydrated always. And when it comes to personal hygiene, it starts with hair removal. So people tend to lean towards using shaving sticks, hair removal cream, and to take out hair from their body, because it is the easiest and painless way to do so. When you come to hair removal is still able to remove hair without necessarily enlarging the pores, and it leaves hair back into the root of your hair, your pores. But the danger in that is that hair that is left there becomes ingrown and they become infected. And it's the same thing that happens with when we use blades to take off hair. And why the blades are even more difficult or more dangerous is because the blade will further enhance and enlarge those pores, because it is always going to be open. It's your pores is always just going to be open. The hair will grow faster. The rate of the hair when you use blade to shave is way faster than when you use hair removal cream. So you want to change that method. Waxing is the best way to remove hair from your body. Do not only remove hair from your body, it will also remove dead skin. The removal of dead skin from our skin or dead skin cell it automatically translates to letting your body breathe even better. So we underestimate the benefits of exfoliation. Exfoliate down or up here as frequently as you can using simple homemade ingredients like sugar, lemon powder or lemon juice. Mix it together and always try to exfoliate there up to twice a week. Even if you don't experience body odor, this is just one of the best practices for self-care. The next home ingredient that you can use to help combat body odor is cloves. Cloves is an astringent. We drink it, we use it to eat. Why can't you use it on your skin to help solve your body odor problem? It is a very powerful astringent, so you have to soak cloves in water. A faster way to do it is to boil your cloves, let it cool down, then always use cotton wool to wipe under your arm. Mix it with eucalyptus oil and always use that to wipe under your arm. This is not only going to give you the benefit of controlling sebum production there, it is also going to shrink your pores. All this suggestion is me under the impression that you're going to be waxing and you're not going to be, even if you're going to use shaving stick, right? I would suggest you actually use hair removal compared to shaving sticks, but so that to avoid bumps and all those things that comes with shaving. But yeah, please try to wax is what I'm trying to say. The third option is going to be henna powder. This is specifically for women and young girls, mothers with younger children, adolescents and teenagers. Henna powder is more like the cloves. Sometimes I like to mix both of them, use the clove water to mix my henna powder. This is because henna powder does not just only provide astringent property, it also provides brightening property to the skin, is antimicrobial. It has all those benefits that is going to help balance out the microbiome of your underarm and private area. The way you can use henna powder is to soak it in water. You can use it as a mask. How you use it as a mask is once you mix it, you just layer it on your armpit down there, leave it for let's say 10-15 minutes, 20 minutes. It's not going to harm you, it's not going to do anything, it's not going to leave a pigment there. It is just going to leave that after natural henna smell, which can linger on for like 24 hours to 48 hours, but you cannot do this every day. So henna powder mixed with eucalyptus oil is also a very good practice, just like clove water with eucalyptus oil. These are natural astringents. I believe that a lot of us have access to these ingredients. The two other products I am going to share with you guys are not traditional products. They are actually toner, your regular toner that you use on your face. The reason why you use toner on your face is because you want to balance out the pH of your face after you use soap to wash your face, right? Why don't you do the same for your underarm? You don't ever think that toner is for you to tone your skin in the way that, to lighten up your skin and all those things. No, toners back in the day used to contain alcohol. These days, we have toners that do not contain alcohol, which are actually the best. They contain just alpha hydroxy, beta hydroxy acid, BHAs, AHAs, all those beautiful acids that our body need. And once you use that, once you have that, you wipe again under your arm. Before you use your deodorant, let it dry out, then you use your deodorant. Talking about deodorants, you also want to be careful the kind of deodorants you use. I know we have the Dove, the Nivea, all those contain, some say they do not contain aluminium, some say they contain aluminium, but understand the danger in all those things that you use on yourself. If you want to, there is this product from Caudalie, that is what we use in this house. It is 100% organic, plant-based product. It is only $16, and you know, it is very, very good, and I don't have a problem with it. I feel safer using that, and you know, with all the other things that I do for self-care, you know, it kind of keeps all those foul smell away. So understand that your body, your skin is breathable. I did talk about hydration for detoxing, but the best hydration you can do for yourself, I'm going to link the best detoxing you can do for yourself. I'm going to leave the link in the description box. It is the citrus juice detox. Citrus contains antioxidants. It's a powerhouse fruit that you should not play with. Lemon, water, grapefruit, lime, whatever, mix it together, dilute it, drink it. That is the best way to detox your body. If you follow me on my other channel, I think I have either uploaded a video where I said, do not detox your body to the point of purging and going to the toilet. TMI. That is not the right way to detox. When you detox in that manner, you are getting rid of the healthy bacteria in your body. The reason why you sweat a lot, why you smell, is already because there is an offset in the natural bacteria on your body. So what you want to do is up the good bacteria of your body, internally, externally, so that your skin can thrive better. So do not go detoxing your body and going to the toilet and getting rid of all the bacteria, because our body is a smart system, but it is not that smart like that to detect or segregate which bacteria is good and which bacteria is bad. If you do it one too many times, you are going to get rid of all the bacteria in your body, and that means the good ones will leave as well. And once these good ones leave, you are offsetting the natural pH balance of your skin. Our skin is supposed to be up to 4.5 to 4.7 acidity level. That is our skin. Our skin is capable, with the right lifestyle, with the right diet, our skin is actually capable of protecting itself. But we as human beings, we do want too many things to affect that acid mantle that our skin already has. Anything above that makes it very alkaline, and that is where the bad bacteria has really taken over. And anything below that is going to mean that you're going to experience dryness, rashes, and all those things. So you need to start introducing some kind of soothing product, aloe vera, cucumber, all those things just to soothe, and moisture. You know, you have to start doing that. So this brings us to the end of the video. I hope you have learned one or two things from it. If you are someone that has other tips, please share in the comment section. This can help somebody. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and see my next video. Bye and stay blessed.